guys, my name is Maddie the Mad Scientist. I am going to break rocks. Wait, but where is the rock? It might be in the sock. Well, let's get started. But do I have a hammer? No, we don't have a hammer. We have this. Let's get started. Well, hello guys. Welcome to my mad science place. Lab. Well, my name is the Maddie Scientist. And I got a surprise for y'all. I hope you'll be really surprised. Today we're going to open Geodes. Wait, well, where are the Geodes? Wait, oh, I feel something. Look at that! I found the Geodes now. Let's get opened. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, it's right there. Okay. Well, let's get a hammer.
We don't have a hammer, but we have this.
How do you open this thing? I'm gonna change my goggles. These are not safety. Let's get those out and then let's put these in. There we go. And then let's put these on. Let's get stop taping. I'm gonna do that. Daddy's opening, and here is a rock. Don't tell Dad, it's Dad's rock. Let's go. I smashed it too hard. Uh-oh. We found some crystals and now let's see. Look, ladies and gentlemen, and I cracked it. Isn't it cool? Look, can you see it?
Ooh, very sparkly.
I know.
That one looks like a quartz. See?
It's a quart?
You see it?
It is a quart.
Quartz.
These are quartz. Right here.
Quartz is the second most abundant mineral in the Earth's continental crust. And it's the most common mineral found inside geodes.
Really?
Quartz crystals have 6 sides and can vary in color depending upon the purity of the minerals. The purest quartz, often called rock crystal, is colorless and transparent.
Here is the quartz. Thank you. And on to the next one. Wow, look at the size of that big old boulder. Well, let's get cracking. I'm just kidding. You cannot open it like this. Okay. Oh, what is it? Are they just all the same? Nope, they are not. Scepter quartz.
Quartz crystals are called scepter quartz when the clusters form into long, narrow points that resemble a king's scepter.
They shine though.
Let's see.
Shine bright like a diamond. Well, what is this tiny old dumb rock? What do you think it's inside? Wow, let's see here. I'm just gonna rip it. I'm just gonna take it out, you know. Oh, wow. Wow, look at this. Won't you look at that? It's a rosy quartz.
Quartz featuring tiny, sparkly crystals is often called druzy quartz. During the geodes formation, Rapid cooling causes these tiny shimmering crystals to form over other minerals.
Which one is your favorite? Is it druzy quartz, or is it the scepter quartz, or is it the quartz? Leave it in the comments below. Go to next side, and then we make slime. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. And don't forget to get a thumbs up. You do this. First do this. Then you put a thumbs up right there. Bye. Peace out.